Hello viewers, today we are learning how to remove duplicates from Google Sheets. The process is very simple. We have a list of English words, root words and their meaning, and the derivative, the English words that derive from that root word. I'm afraid that we have some duplicates in this data. We have 138 entries in. I'm afraid that we have duplicate data. So how to remove the duplicate data? For that, we select the three column. We select the three column. We select the three column and go to the data tab in the menu, and there we go to the data cleanup, simple, remove duplicates. It will give me a dialog box. It says that, do you have header label? Yes, we have labels in the header row. Yes, don't include that, it will remove the headers. And there we go. Yes, it says we have 20 duplicates. So by saying OK, it will remove. Now the duplicates are removed. Thank you so much.